It's apple and blackberry harvesting time in the UK, so what better use to put them to than to make a lovely crumble, for which you'll need said apples and blackcurrants, some butter, some honey, which I use with the apples and blackcurrants instead of sugar, because you're going to get enough of that in the crumble. There is said sugar and some plain flour. First thing we're going to do is give your apples a quick rinse, even though we're going to peel and core them, just to get rid of any ladybird poo or anything. And then, as I said, handy if you've got one of these things so that you can core your apples. So I'm going to take the cores out and then just peel them. With them nicely peeled, we're just going to put them onto a gentle heat. Don't put them on a high heat, gentle heat, and then we're just going to let them stew in their own juices for 5 or 10 minutes until they've softened down a bit. You don't want them to turn to a mush, just nice and soft but still have a bit of bite. With your apples stewing away, it's time to get your hands dirty. Put your flour, sugar and butter into a bowl and get them nicely mixed until they resemble breadcrumbs. When your potatoes have softened down a bit, just add a couple of tablespoons of delicious honey into there and give that a minute to heat through. And so, into your oven-proof dish with your apples and your honey. Ow, 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 ow. And then onto there with your delicious blackcurrants. And last but not least, on with your crumble. Spread it out evenly, and then this is going in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 30 minutes until this crumble is nice and crispy brown on top. When it comes out the oven, nice and golden and looking something like that, it's time to get yourself a scoop, add some ice cream, custard, whatever you want. Don't forget a cup of tea and get stuck in.